this is Sam Creating with Heart, and I have some hauls for you. So the first is from the Iralamia shop. Let's see, Iralamija shop. So I bought a couple of her ephemera packs. These are fun. I really need to use these more. I got a Valentine's Day one. It's got all different kinds of pieces in here, as well as ribbon and trims. And then I also went ahead while I was at it and picked up an Easter one. So this is hopefully going to be working for a project that I'm working on very shortly. And then I bought some things from Doodlebug. Doodlebugswa.com. Oops. So it's an online shop. And I bought this lovable llama, Sunny Studio. If you spend $30 in their shop, then shipping is free. So I got this that dies, and then I got these shape sprinkles, and then this Doodle Pop to go along with this paper, which is the new Doodlebug Made with Love paper. And then I also got from Doodlebug the Pretty Pink Posh stencil. And this one, I don't know what it's called. Whatever it is, it's like cupcakes and hearts and like little letters. I don't know what it's called, but super cute. So I got that. And then I spent quite a bit at Trinity Stamps. They had, I forget what kind of deal they have. It was 25% off everything in their shop. Something to that effect. So this was a free gift. It's like a tag heart. I got this, which is a mini slimline card and envelope set. And then here is a postage stamp. Crafty Post is what it's called. And then I got the matching dies, and you can make like a postcard, I think, with that too. I got this slimline die, and this one is called Quilted Cover, and this is slimline rooftop border die. And then this one is 6x6 layered palm tree stencil. And this one is the Catchin' Some Rays 2-piece stencil. I don't know why it's 2 pieces, but it is. This one, which is the layered fireworks stencil. This one is the Lots of Dots 4-piece stencil. And then this is the stripes stencil. And this one is the Space Swirl. I'm going to use this with my Alice in Wonderland stuff. So that's from Trinity. And then Mama Elephant, their new release is amazing. I wish I had gotten all of it, but I didn't. I got the meat of it. I got the Apron Treat Bag die, which it's really cute. I got this, and I also got the die that goes with it. I don't know where it is right now, but it's here. I have it. I have the die that goes with this, and so this is one of those sentiment ones where you stamp the sentiment and you match up the stars, and you can cut 3 out at a time. So I do have the die. It's around here somewhere. And shoot, no, where is it? Oh, well, duh. Duh and duh. Okay, so here it is. The Easy Sentiments. So you can see it has these stars right here. So you would stamp the sentiment strip. They all are one stamp. And then you would put this over it, and you would die cut it, and it would cut 3 sentiments out at a time. It's nice, and it's not as genius in a lot of ways as some of the other ones, but I think it's less expensive because the dies I cut, the big strips, they're pretty pricey. Now, granted, the companies have made stamps that go with that, so you're not having to buy multiple dies. So once you buy a die once, they come out with multiple sentiment strip dies, and then you have the die already. But it's definitely an investment. This was fairly inexpensive, I think $6 or something. So it's definitely less costly. But then you're going to have to, instead of making one pass through your die cut machine, you're going to have to go through, 6 times, But it's pretty cool. And then I had to have this because I love it. So adorable. The projects I've seen with this have been really, really cute. And this is the Milkshake stamp set. And then I did get the dies because I gotta have dies. So that is my haul. Thank you for watching. Cindy Crane Thought.